Mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another crypto review. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice, so always do your own research because this is for entertainment only. Crypto has a risk, so always do your own research and be responsible on your funds. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Legend of Ymir. Right now, it's on the pre-registration stage, available on Google Play and App Store. If you want to pre-register here, you will get Rare Companion, Bardian Silver Chest, Enhancement Stone times 10, Common Valkar Essence Card Bundle, and Common Valkar Crystal Stone of Promotion Bundle, guys. It is required to check this one, and then if you want to pre-register, just click here, and then log in your desired Gmail account, guys. Okay, as easy as that. And then you are now pre-registered. You can also click here and then pre-register your email on Google Play or in App Store, guys. Okay, so the features of this game, they have a lot of region trade station, innovative play to earn PNE. So let's check this one. Valuable items obtained through gameplay can be directly traded for Wemix at the region trade station, allowing you to generate a real world profit. You will get it on the box while you are playing, guys. Option with GWemix monetization, the core currency GWemix can be safely exchanged for Wemix at the station, so allowing you to realize that the profit reinvestment and upgrade by depositing acquired GWemix into staking. You can earn additional rewards and reinvest to further upgrades your character. So this creates a positive cycle that goes beyond simple monetization, adding depth to the gameplay. So that's the core on how to play or how to earn on this play to earn game, guys. This is the available classes right now. We have only 4 classes: the Warlord, Soul Piercing Strike, the Volba, Bearer of the Great Will, Skald, the Melodies that promise victories, and the Berserker itself. Either it will be a tank or the warrior on the game, so the Ruthless and Bloodthirsty Fighter. They also have an event right now, the Lottery event. If you invite a friends or you log in every day, you can get price as higher as 5,833 Wemix, guys. Okay, right now the pre-registration is 1 million. Wemix taking for Ymir is 5.8 million, and the Ymir website on sale is limited stock, selling fast. So body boost lottery, you will have every day, you will have 3 to use here at the Valhalla leaderboard or on the lotto itself, guys. Okay, so right now, so Ymir Cash, this number 1 or the top 1 on the lottery will get Valhalla bonus of 1.8p in Ymir Cash. Okay, and we mix, and this one number 2 will have a 1.4, 3 is 1.2 on the lottery. Ymir Cash pre-sale also available on the website. This is just a gift card, guys, and plus the NFT. So Ymir gift card will have $80, guys. Item price is $80 or 113 of Wemix. 32 days remaining. Ymir gift card, a $100 available only for limited moment. This special NFT will forever hold your starting moment. So Legend of Ymir. This is sale, guys. Pay mileage. Earn 0.01 mileage for every $1 spent by Wemix payment. So the lowest price has been sold out already, guys. Okay. So Ymir Cash, 1 USDT for worth of Ymir Cash is pledged to 1 USDT in value. NFT bundle, Ymir gift card collection badge X1 and higher scroll package times 10, guys. This gift card is transferable. Ymir gift card collection badge can only be used once per character. If 2 or more are owned, you can exchange it on Radiant Enhancement Stone Selection Chest. This item is a bundle of tokens and NFTs. Emir Cash is a token that can be exchanged for in-game currency. So right now, the lowest price has been sold out, guys. This is only a $10 or 5 USD, 7.12 Wemix. Sale period, max per purchase is 1, and it has been sold out. The gift card is transferable, guys. I think they will resell this one, and the price will be goes up to something about 10 to 20 USD when they resell it, this, guys. Okay, so sell 50%, that's why it has been sold out. So I think that's all for Emir. Again, guys, this is Meta Chain. Again, and bye bye.